Good evening, everyone. This is our civil engineering drawing 2 presentation. Today our presentation topic is details of a building plan. Now we are presenting first group. Thanks to our dear honorable teacher for giving me some presentation, and thanks to my dear friends. Please listen our presentation. We have 4 group member in here. This is Tainul Islam, CM 02406 805, and
this is Jahangir Alam. My class ID CM 0240611.
Mohammad Tamrul Islam Chaudhary, CM 02406 801. 804.
This is our group member. Now I will summarize our presentation. This is a details of a building plan. Now we are seeing a isometric view of a building. That front view, left view. The main part of main component of building, and then some information in here. Isometric view of another building. This is the horizontal cut section. This is the vertical cut section. There are different size door in different hatch component. This is another building plan. One story building. Section for this is for section AA, and this is for section BB, and this is the window section and door section. Another part of one story building plan, and this is the front side elevation, the back side elevation, left elevation, right elevation. This is section for this building, section AA, section BB. Now our first presenter, Mr. Jahangir, please describe your part.
Thank you. This is a main view. This is a main view of building.
আপনাকে বলছি মাস্কটা খোলার জন্য প্রেজেন্টেশন দিতে আমি মাস্ক খুলবেন না
এটা একটু কমাই দেন আর এটা মেইন ডোর
মাস্ক করা আছে
না অফ করছিলাম যখন কথা বলতে তখন this is SDR, this is main door, it's window, this is front view, SDR, main door, this roof. This is left side, left view. This is SDR. This is windows. This is foundation, beam level, or superstructure. This is roofing. This is roof. The rapid wall. This ceiling and floor. Then course beam tab, and this is sunset. This is base level, ground level, and roof. This roof. Thank you. Our next presenter.
So, the down roof force DPC, covering, lintel, sunshade, parapet wall. Isometric view of one is building. This is the stair, window, parapet wall, window. Horizontal section is cut with column, window, door, a vertical section of target, foundation, footing, column, beam, slab, parapet wall, CC, BFS, B-frame, filling, drawing the doors in windows. These are right side open and right and left side window is right side open. Next. Single conversion has common masonry section used in elevation 1, 2 and masonry pointing used in elevation 8 masonry. Plaster drawing concrete used in plan of elevation 5 and 6. Wood section 7 and 8. Wood section is having this section 9 angle. This 9 is soil used in elevation. Then this is in elevation. Next round.
So we see one stair, we see two window, one door, window size 5 feet. Door is just 36 inch. This two section BB. We see one door and one window, one parapet wall, one. You see one window and one door. Door size is 7 feet, window 4 feet, one sunshade, parapet wall and slab, and floor slab. This we see one door, later wall, and window, later wall.
Okay, this is another of on-story building plan. We can see in here different measurement room. There is a baranda here, some different sizes room, toilet, bedroom, drawing room, living room available here. Then this is the front elevation of for this plan. We can we see in two part of window. Then we see baranda, some door, and railing in here. And that this is the section. This is the elevation for this backside. This is the backside elevation for this plan. We see in here 3 windows and 1 small window for toilet, and 1 for kitchen, and other 2 for bedroom. And this is the another left elevation for this plan. We see in here 2 window and some part of the railing. This is left elevation and some measurement for this elevation. And this is the back side of elevation for our following plan. In railing side, and this is the extra part of baranda roof, and some 2 window, small size window for this elevation. And this is the section for our following plan. Some part of building in here. First, from half, this is parapet wall, and then we seen 4-inch RCC roof slab, then 3-inch for lime concrete, then we seen here brick wall, and this is the window. This is for sunshade for window. This is a lintel with window, lintel with sunshade. A brick wall for this room, then a floor finish, and brick flat ceiling. That's it for section A. The section BB for our following plan. From up we see a parapet wall, lime concrete, and RCC roof slab. Then we watch a drop wall for veranda, and then we see railing, we see stair, we see some part of railing from veranda. That's it for section BB. Now I am repeating up to fast for some missing information or group number. This is the isometric view of the building. The part of top side of the building. This is the front side. This is the left side, and this side is right side in the for isometric view. And this is the front side. Front side available stair, door, and this is the roof part, and this is the wall face. Then this is the left side view. We see in a window and section for side view of stair. And this is the main component of building. There are vertically cut section, some part in here. This is the flint level, down floors, foundation available. The flint level. This is sunshade with window. The garnish, the parapet, roof slab, and the coping. This part is called up to flint level to roof slab. This is called superstructure. Below from flint level, from bottom from foundation, this is called substructure. And this is information for structure. Dam proof DPC, coping, lintel, sunshade, parapet wall. Already we seen. This is the isometric view of another building. This is the front side. This is the top of the top side, and this is the left side. This is the horizontal cut section for this building, and this is vertical cut section for this building. And different type of door in here. One part door, two part door, and some door in here. This is the some head block, sign conversion. This is called sign conversion. Masonry section in here. Masonry pointing, concrete section, plasterboard, wood section, then soil and glass, and different type of house block in here. Okay, this is another plan. Section A and section B for this plan. Section AA for this plan. Section B for this plan. This is a one-room building, and this is one story. A window, a door, and two window for this building. This is the section AA and section BB. Is the door section and window section. Door section is door height is 7 feet, and then top of the door. This is lintel for door opening. Then brick wall. The window top side of window lintel is here for window opening. Okay, that is our presentation. Thanks for watching.
Thank you all for your presentation. It was really wonderful, and we are really pleased to know details of a building, how you have explained. We really understand very much detailed topic, and we are also very pleased that you all guys did a very good job, because this is your second presentation and first presentation for English. Okay, so you guys have done really good, but some point I have to mention, that is I didn't see any body language except Tainul have done little body language. That means when you are doing your presentation, you have to move your hands, you have to look the audience. Okay, the content are written in the slides. That means you have to explain to everyone. So you have to move out, you have to walk, and you have to explain, and you have to explain detailsly to audience. So whatever you are telling, that means that your audience got understood what you are saying. So you have to make sure it. So for the next time, I will request that you all guys have to do a very good body language. Okay, first thing. The second thing is eye contact. You have to see your audience, what they are actually do they understanding or not. I mean, you have to make a proper eye contact. And the second thing is explanation. Whenever you are explaining some section or some section or any cutout section, you have to show the main plan first. This is section A. So if we cut this section, we will get a window, a door, a wall. Okay, this is the front side. So we will see this portion. So this section. So you have to elaborate these things, and also I would say you have to make a good teamwork for the next presentation. You have to just divide your work. You have to explain these slides. So you have to take a very good preparation on that. So you have to make a very prerequisite, practicing session in your home. That means you can be more frequent of your speaking, what you are going to explain. You all guys knows the Bengali language very well, but you are feared to speak English because you don't make the practice. Okay, so next time you guys have to give another importance on practicing session also. So all the very best for your good presentation, and also we'll enjoy the next presentation 3 for you guys also. Okay, so wish you very good luck.
Assalamualaikum. Good evening. Yes, very student. I'm really thankful. Give me a chance in presentation. My name is Shajat Hussain. CNB 2706797.
I am MD Ibrahim.
I'm Muhammad Sisabullah, CNB 26615.
Presentation. Details of beam. Long section of beam. Section of beam 10 feet, and support section and beam size 10 feet in 15 inch and 10 inch, and support section is 4 step bar 19 mm dia, and through a start of 19 mm dia, and middle section is 4 nose of step bar and 19 mm dia and extra bottom, 2 extra bottom 19 mm dia. So following next doing the details of columns. Details and first column footings, size 4 feet and 4 feet. mm dia, 6 inches center to center, both way main bar, and center column section and column size 10 inch into 12 inch. This column section XX, cut of XX, four notch are a 10 mm diameter bar and tri bar 10 mm dia 6 into center to center. For following the next drawing, details of slab, the plan of slab. Slab size is 10 feet and 20 feet, and storeroom. Estate bar 10 mm dia, 5 inches center to center, and alternate train bar 10 mm dia, 5 inches center to center, and extra top a support section 12 mm dia, 5 inches center to center. And this section XX. This section XX. Estate bar. This plan slab of cut of X axis. This is section XX.
Now I am going to details of the stair. We can see there is a band of the stair. This landing is 8 feet, 50 feet, and this is 7 feet. We can see here is the stair and when we need section, we can find this section. Section access is first slide. We can see there here is a floor landing, and this is floor beam. And this landing is 4 feet. Floor level is 4 feet, and we can see here is the stair and this is the main bar. Slab beam. We can see slab main bar is extended here to this point, and this is first slide. We can see there is a 3 dimension of main bar dia rod. This is main bar dia is 12 mm, and this is top bar 10 mm, and this is back bar 5. And now we can see this is a flash drive, and it's called there is a landing beam, floor beam, and this is landing level. There is a landing level, and there is landing beam. There is a hoist slab. This hoist slab is measurement is 6 inches, and there is a riser and tape measurement is 10 inch and riser the measurement is 6 inch. And we can see there is a three-dimensional reinforcement. One reinforcement is main bar. Its measurement is 12 millimeter, and start bar is called. Its measurement is 10 millimeter, 4 inches center to center, and this is a grind bar. Grind bar is 8 millimeter, 5 inches center to center. And there is a flat 2. This is the same size. And now I am going to tell details of file. This is file called is spiral file. Spiral file is minimum 6 bar is used, and start. Minimum dia is 60 millimeter and 6 nose. And maximum we can use 32 millimeter dia, and we can do 6 to 8, 10, 12, 16 bar in reinforcement use, and it's called a spiral tie bar. And spiral tie bar is used 6 millimeter and 8 millimeter dia reinforcement use, and this is a section. We can see section here. Here is a long section, and it is a cross section. Now I am going to tell my next member is Sipatullah. He is going to tell detail of septic tank. Thank you.
Here we can see a detail of septic tank. This is plan of septic tank. There are two compartments. This is the first compartment. This is the second compartment. This is the septic tank section. This is influent, and this is entrant. Here we can see. Here you can see the RCC compartment. This is top slab and this is bottom slab. And this is the separator wall. There is a sewage here in front. Here we can see the guard of septic tank. This is the footing of septic tank. Here we can see main bar and binder. The 10 mm dia 6 inch center is the binder bar, and main bar it was 60 mm, 10 inch center to center. This is the detail of retaining wall. Here we can see main bar and binder bar reinforcement. This is the toe part. This is the ear, and this is the stem part. Here there is a key of a retaining wall. Here the main bar was retaining wall is 16 mm. 10 inch center, and the binder is 10 mm. This is the backfill area. This is the footing of retaining, and this is the main bar of retaining wall reinforcement. Thanks to thanks, my dear all students.
thank you all for your good presentation. We really know a lot of topic from you all guys. How can we measure the beam cross section? How can we know the column? How can we know the stair? And also how can we measure the roof? I mean the slab cross section. How the reinforcements are easily distributed over its length. You guys have explained very nicely. And also lastly, one thing you have added, that how the reinforcement of retaining wall that are distributed, and also the safety tank, how the reinforcement are casted, how the reinforcement are placed for casting the septic tank. Okay, so you all guys have mentioned about the reinforcement. Okay, so it's really wonderful. So this time this is your first presentation on English, so you all guys are really nervous. So it doesn't matter. By speaking one, by speaking two, I mean presentation one, presentation two, you all will gain a lot of confidence. So next time I hope that you all will do a very good presentations. Okay, from the final term. So this time really you all guys have deserved a big good round of applause. So give a big round of applause for this group 2. So next time I hope you all will maintain a good eye contact also, and also the teamwork is also missing. So before giving any presentation in any subject, in any course area, you have to prepare a lot in your home. Okay, what is your topic? You have to be master of that topic. Then you have to explain it here by coming in front of the audience. So don't need to be nervous. So next time inshallah you all will do a very good presentation. That's all.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum, sir, and dear students. We are for our team. We are going to describe the details of the building plan, and Sharia Fahim is going to describe the Sharia Fahim is going to start first, and let's go see.
Assalamualaikum. I am Sharia Fahim, serial 024-06816. Now I start my presentation. So we see a isometric view of building. Isometric view of building. This is left side elevation, left side wall and window. Left side wall and window, and we see front side stair and wall and door. And the top portion is roof. Now we see front view of building. This is wall, and middle portion is door, and middle and door under the stair, and top level 2.6 feet is roof portion. And another left view. This is a left view, and this is we see a window and wall, and under level is a stair and wall. This is cut down vertically middle section building cutting down in vertically. We see this portion detail, and this is print level. This is print level and footing. This is footing, and this is BFS, ground floor force. This is parapet, and this is window, and this is construction. And this is foundation level, print level, under foundation level, and this is superstructure. This is coping, and this is parapet wall, and this is roof portion. This is carnage. Now
Assalamualaikum sir, I'm Shanawaz Azhar Sabir. My ID is CDN 024067996, and I'm going to describe the isometric view of one-story building. And here it is. We can see front view here. There's two window, and in front of the plan there is a window and a balcony and stairs. And here we can see roof and carpet wall and garnish. Then and next we can see a horizontal section is cut the mid height of the windows to get the plan of building. Here is a carpet plan. We can see this section of wall and windows and columns. Here is a stair and this is a column, and we can see the balcony here. And then a vertical section is cut to get the front section elevation, and we can see a plan cut from the middle, and we can see a section of a great beam and ground floor and window and lintel. We can see roof and we can see a window here and a garnish. And then the next, Murshid Alam will describe this to you. Thank you, sir.
Assalamualaikum sir. I am Murshid Alam. Assalamualaikum sir. I am Murshid Alam. CEN 024068. Now I am discuss my topic. Drawing door window installing their opening direction. We can see here some door and window and door window elements. Then next is convention. Some conventions. First time one number. This machinery. This use one number is this use machinery. Elevation used in elevation. Then two number used in pointing elevation pointing. Three number brick plan any plan and a brick section. Then four. Then four number is called concrete section. Then 5 number wood section. Then 6 number plus rectangular. Then 6 number plaster section. Then 7 number. Then 7 number wood section. Then 8 number wood section. Then 9 number glass section and soil section. Then next is we can see here one student boiling plant. This plant we cutting to divided to cutting A section and then B section.
we can see AA section. We can see first time AA section. We can see here one window and one door and two wall. Then BB section cutting. We can see BB section here. We can see one, two wall and door, one door and one window. Then then we can see lintel and a slab and a parapet wall section. Next is we can see here door section and a window section. Door section, this door section measurement. Then this window section measurement. Then next is then our next member Shah Sohan Rahman. Thank you all.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Sohan Rahman. I am so happy to get the chance of presentation. Now I present the building plan and section and edit. We see here is a plan and in this plan cut down two section A, section A and section B. And we see the plan or front elevation in this plan. In this front elevation, we see the two sliding window and one door and another window, and we also see baranda. We also see the stair in this elevation, and we see the next elevation, and it is this plan. It is the back elevation of this plan, and we also see the window, and this window different size of window in this here, and here 2 feet by 2 feet window. We see the 2 feet by 2 feet window, and it's only use toilet window, and we also see three window, and it is the same window. We also see the left elevation on this plan, and we also see two window and one veranda, and we also follow that. One top of the veranda on one shade, and it's the left elevation of this plan. Another right elevation on this plan. We also see here one veranda, two window, we all elevation we also we also see that this some measurement of this window veranda and now we see the section of on this plan and the section the section cut off and the section A cut off one this
Then next page, we can see there. We can see here section A. There is 3 window, same size, and 1 door, and sunset. And brick ceiling. You can see here this is brick ceiling and brick ceiling. Different CC. You can see here this CC. Then slab. This is RCC, 4-inch RCC slab. Then around parapet wall. This is 3 feet height parapet wall. Next page. We can see here section B, 2 window and 1 railing and a sunset, one sunset. Then from a stair section. Then brick wall. This is brick ceiling and RCC ceiling. This wall is divided. This wall divided 3 divided. Then some measurement. Then next page. Thank you all. Some plan section.
Thank you all for your good presentation. You guys have really done a very good job. The first thing is I already mentioned with the 2 groups. You guys have to take a very good teamwork. Okay. Whenever you guys are doing any presentation work, you have to divide the slide. You have to take the preparation according to your slide. Okay, you have to go through it. You have to rehearse in your home by doing the presentation in front of mirror. You can judge yourself. You can refer the videos how you guys are presenting yourself. Okay, so by doing again and again, you will improve your skills. The mumbling you are doing, you won't do it once again in front of the audience if you do the practice session in your home. So from the next time, I hope you will do more better than today's presentation. So wish you all the very best. Thank you very much.
Good evening, our friends and our honorable teachers, and thanks to giving us this opportunity to describe the lecture. First of all, we want to introduce ourselves. I am Mr. Jahan.
And I'm Jahan Hussain, CEN 024067998. I am the head.
Then we start our lecture.
Thank you, sir. Thanks everyone. Good evening. Good evening, sir. Now I will discuss this slide. details drawing of building. The first slide. It's a great. It's a details of beam. Long section beam. This is span 10 feet, and then it's a mid section and it's a support section. This is the alternate drag bar and step bar. The alternate drag bar start is there is and the finish and down and up, and we go to the section mid section. Mid section are two alternate bar and two step bar, and the upper are also two step bar in here. And the support section are two extra top bar and two step bar, and the bottom are two step bar. So this is the mid section and it's a support section. Mid section, this is alternate bar, bottom two alternate bar and two twisted bar, and the mid and the support section, two extra top bar and two twisted bar, and the beam 15 inch and 10 inch. Now we will go to the next slide. This is the footing details of column, and this is column details. This is a brick scoring, 3 inch brick scorings and 3 inch CC, and then 7 feet also short column, and then grade beam, and then super structure. This is the footing details, and this is the section of its reference. This footing is also 4 feet and 4 feet. This is a 6 inches center to center, 16 millimeter reinforcement. Use this column, and the sections will show four reinforcement, and the column size 10 inch into 12 inch. And this is a structural and also 10 feet. This is a clear coverage 3 inch, and the upper grade beam above it also 1.5 inch. Now we will go to the next slide. This is the details of slab. This is a slab. It also two areas. It's a beam, right of beam, and this is slab to another bit of slab. We will cut this X reference, and we will the section of XX. And we should know mainly three bar used in slab. Number 1 twisted bar, and number 2 alternate bar, and number 3 are also extra top bar. Extra top bar is used on mainly supporting zone, and the slab are L4 divided L by 4. This is alternate or crack bar, and it's mainly crack is centered. And this is a SS reference section of this is stud bar. This is stud bar are available here in stud bar, and this is a extra top bar, and it's the alternate bar. The alternate bar and stud bar use 16 mm reinforcement used. And that's all this slide. And I would like to request Mr. Now your turn, please.
Thanks for listening. Details of stair. This is the plan of a stair, and the measurement of this stair is 8 feet and 6 feet. And this is the cross section of this stair. We find this figure. This is the landing, and this is the flat pipe, and this is another landing, and it is second pipe. The measurement of this stair section, the landing measurement is 4 feet, and the flat measurement 7 feet. And another measurement is L by 3. The measurement with the riser is 10 inch, and riser 6 inch, and the tray 10 inch. We use their crank bar, 6 mm crank bar, and the last thing is about this stair. We use this stair for upward section, going to the upward section in a building. Details of pipe. It is the vertical section of a pipe, and it is the horizontal section of a pipe. Generally, we use 6 nodes of rod, spiral pipe, and the measurement is 60 mm and 5 or 6 centimeters, 5 or 6 inches center to center. And the measurement of this section 7 feet and 3 feet. We use in this section 60 mm rod, 5 or 6 inches center to center, and this is plinth level 3 feet. That's it from my side. I will next slide is displayed by time.
This is septic tank, and this section explains septic tank. And this is manhole, and this is pump. Septic tank first part and second part. This section is footing at different patterns. These are a 10-man 7-6 in center to center. This one is green center to center, and this is footing, and next phase. This is retaining wall, and this retaining wall is long bar and short bar. This long is 13 feet, and this long is 11 inch, and this one is 10 mm center to center, and this set is retaining wall.
Okay, thank you all, and thank you sir again.
Thank you all for your good presentation. We all have learned a lot of things from you guys. So that's very good from group 4. Please have a big round of applause for them. You have done very good work, but little bit more practice needed for your improvement part also. And one thing I didn't mention to any group, that is your formal dress up. Whenever we are going to present anything, we have to maintain the dress code also. I didn't see a lot of students maintaining the dress code. So this is to inform you guys that you have to also maintain the dress code. So you have to also maintain the eye contact also. This is very important part whenever you do speech in front of any audience. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So next time you have to do a little bit better. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So thank you very much for your presence. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.